What's going on, everybody? So welcome back to Haywire RC, and as you can see right here, got the buggy on some new shoes. These are the Schumacher Venom tires and Schumacher rims. They're pretty nice, they're pretty beefy. I really like them. Also super grippy. We'll see how grippy these things are. Maybe they'll drift too, but I don't know yet. We chose these because we didn't really want to slick yet, even though we definitely want to do some drifting with this thing. That'd be sweet. But we want some grippy tires for the parking lot. And that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to take this thing out to the parking lot, test out these new tires, test out the engine, make sure the engine works good. And believe it or not, that's all I really got to say. I did freshen up the air filter. And that's really it. So we'll fuel her up, get this thing running, see how it does. Alright guys. I spoke too soon, so it turns out the first attempt of making the Starbucks work, the batteries are too low, and I wouldn't even turn over the engine, so we had to wait a couple hours for those to charge. They're charged now. Then for some reason this happened, and yes, this is supposed to be in there. For some reason the pinion now fell out, and now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall it. I got it installed, I just gotta tighten everything, but just to remind you, do not buy the Integy tools. Yeah, the end just broke off, I can't believe it. These are a piece of junk. Don't buy these, piece of junk. Alright guys, I wondered to myself why these things cost so much. All they do is break, but it works. Alright guys, so that'll be it. Thank God that thing worked. Which yeah, that starter box is on its like last leg. It is not looking too good. Might have to rebuild that stupid little thing. I know you guys are wondering why we didn't run the body. I don't know either. We just never put it on. It's pretty funny, right? Other than that, guys, this thing ran great. The 454 in the buggy is definitely overpowering, especially because we're running this thing super rich and this thing's just putting along like nothing. And the Schumacher tires, super grippy. Actually, before mounting them, I have to adjust the camber because these things are so wide and so grippy. The negative camber on it was wearing out the side too much, so I had to even it out, which now it's perfect. In the fronts, I left the camber the same. As you can see, just one side. Well, kind of see, it's a little dark. And my camera lens, which I did just replace, it is not cracked anymore, but I bought one from eBay, of course, Evil Bay. And it's a piece of junk, kind of. I'm sorry my camera quality isn't to 4K, even though this video is supposed to be 4K. But whatever, it is what it is. Cameras aside, blah, blah, blah. Lesson I learned today is, it's about having fun. Isn't that right? Yeah, it's about having fun. Also, guys, the head's scratched. Oh no! It's okay though. I mean, is it though? We just ruined a brand new 454 head again. Anyway, guys, so that'll be the conclusion to this video. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Also, I'd like to give you guys a couple shout outs. Shout out to Malo, the real man. Love you, Malo.
And Raider.
Yeah, and Raider. Say hi to Raider for me. Also, Chino. He's definitely helped me a lot with the Losis. He's a great guy. He's also got a great channel. We'll see him down in the comments. So check out his channel, Chino. And also another guy, RC Life, which I helped out. We met on Hybrids live streams. He also has a great channel. He's got great vashing videos. Feel free to check him out also. Thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, I'll be working on that stupid little thing now. But whatever. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.
Got a strike, guys. I got a strike. My first one today. Okay, not in life, but today.
Time to get this right. Nope, I still dropped it. Alright, one more try. We got this. Alright, let me look at the screwdriver. Hey, see that? I did it.